class. My name is Brian Baker, here to do the final presentation for the Management Information Systems course. For my project, I chose the automotive service industry. The reason I chose this industry is because I grew up in the automotive service industry, been around it my entire life, and here within the next year I plan on opening my own service shop. Had previous training in the automotive service industry. Anyways, for technology in the service industry, we need hardware, very few pieces of hardware, got some software, figure out whether we need the in-house IT department or an external IT department, do a little bit of reflection on the entire course, and then give you the references. As far as hardware goes, hardware in the automotive service industry is one that we invest money over and over again. We don't expect it to last very many years, sometimes even not even 6 months. We have some desktop computers for the office and for management. We have mainly laptop computers and tablets, leaning more towards tablets. Tablets allow our technicians to move around the shop, diagnose multiple vehicles without having a whole bunch of wires and stuff connecting them. We also have a few printers and a few telephones, mainly up in the front office. We're not a very big company. We don't have very big integration. Don't need servers. Don't need any of this stuff. One of the biggest things that I read in the textbook that stood out to me was it said in a great majority of cases, established big businesses already have significant investment in hardware. Therefore, they must adopt new software within the constraints of their old hardware. This is not the case in my business. Like I said, our hardware is designed to last. We're expecting to replace it within a year. We know this. So all the updates that come out for our software, we're really not going to, or if new hardware software comes up, we're really not going to have to worry about whether our hardware can meet the needs or not. Because if it don't meet the needs, then we'll just replace it to make it fit the needs. We don't have big investments in there. Some of our tablets from some of the tool distributors are made very rugged. They're designed to last multiple years, but the software that comes with those, it's always supported by that unit. You'll go 10, 15 years without that piece of hardware ever running out of support for that tool manufacturer's software. They make the hardware, they make the software to go with it. That's the special case. But most of our stuff is designed to be replaced within a year. Now, on the other side of things, our software is where we really invest money. It's the most important aspect of the business. We use a program called ShopBoss Pro. The reason we choose ShopBoss Pro is it does everything from A to Z in the business. Our front desk takes it, customer comes in, they take all the information on their laptop or their tablet, put it in the ShopBoss Pro. It prints out a work order. Customers can track what's going on with their piece of equipment or vehicle. That translates into the back of the house where our technicians can access it. They can order parts from it. It's linked to our vendors. It has invoice making, tracks out employee hours, has payroll. It's pretty much the complete system. We like to have everything in one area. We do not store the stuff on site. It all goes off to ShopBoss Pro supplier. They keep everything there. We have more important things to do than track all our IT, being a small business. Now, our diagnostic software is kind of unique. It comes from the tool manufacturer or the vehicle manufacturer. If it's all constantly being updated to meet the new vehicles or any service releases that come out. The leading one is from Snap-on. It's called the Versa. It has the diagnostic stuff in there. You can track trouble codes. Like if you have a certain thing in a vehicle, 100 other people did it, it's going to be in there. Also, our software is where we really lean. Proverbs 22:1 says, a good name is more desirable than great riches. To be esteemed is better than silver or gold. That's one reason we selected a software that can handle everything. We would rather spend a little bit of money on this than to try to do and track everything ourselves and end up costing our customers more. Our one program can take care of all of our needs all in one place. We don't have to go searching for stuff. Our customers can actually log on to our system, grab their service records while they're at home. If they sell their car, the value of their car goes up. We like to take care of our customers first. Technology is very, very important in our business, but our customers come first. So we need to have software that supports that theory. So we have a decision in our business. Do we keep our IT in-house or we take it external? Some of the best things for internal IT department is we got a quick response time. Our employee is the one taking care of the system. If we have anything problem, he can take care of it. Number one killer in the automotive service industry, especially coming more and more technology, is downtime. If we lose the internet, we lose a computer, and we don't have a backup, we could be shut down. The entire business could be shut down. Another good aspect of having it in-house is we have complete control of it. We don't have to worry about security as much because we have it. We can lock it up, do it however we need, have it disconnected from the web, whatever we need to do. It's not real practical, but we can do it. The biggest advantages of the external IT department cost us less. We don't have hardware to maintain. We don't have to buy a whole bunch of software that we're not going to use. We have more options because we can pick and choose what we want. I can get the best professionals. I don't have to worry about hiring the best professionals. I have them at my access. They have proven results and flexibility. I can pick and choose what best works for me. What I need, I don't have to buy multiple programs to get what I need, or I don't have to design my own system to give me what I need. I have it all in one place. I can pick and choose from their service what I want, how I want it. I can rely on them to secure it. That creates another challenge in the securing it. That's one reason the internal IT department would be best, is I could disconnect it from the web, but I'm not staying up with current technology at that point. The next deal is, a reflection on the entire course. Some of the things that I've learned throughout the course is making your equipment work best for you, making it upgradable, where you can stay current with what you need, not what everybody else needs. Now, I've also learned about small business versus large business needs. There's total different needs. If I was a large business, I would bring my IT department in. I would design my own system where I could interface with all of my different locations from one spot. Being a one or two location spot, that's not really practical. That goes to the global business aspect of things. You need to be able to transfer around in a larger business where you're international. I don't have that problem, so that aspect really I'll kind of overlook. Not big deal. But the biggest aspect that I was worried about was security risk and protecting data. Everything is cloud sourced for me, so I have to ensure my customers' data is protected. I read an article that said if you're transferring private customer information to a third party for any reason, the onus remains on you to keep it safe. My customers aren't doing business with ShopBoss Pro. They're doing business with me. I am responsible for their data. How can I do that? I have to make sure that ShopBoss Pro protects it the way I want it protected. I cannot sacrifice on that. If I say it's going to be protected 100%, my vendor has to guarantee me that their stuff will be protected. My customers are always right. Here's the references. We got Carmichael, we got Proverbs, and then we got the textbooks. This is Brian Baker doing the final presentation for Management Information Systems. Thank you.